In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to blur a face using CapCut. Let's get started. Launch CapCut, import the video you want to edit, then add the blur effect by clicking on Effects, selecting Video Effects. Now search for blur. Select the blur effect. Once the effect is applied to your video, you can adjust its intensity by selecting the blur effect and clicking on Adjust. From there, you can make the blur either weaker or stronger according to your preference. Now adjust the blur effect to your whole video. Then look for the option Duplicate. Now select the option Overlay. Add the second video layer below the first one. Then select the second video and click on the max button. CapCut offers different max shapes, but the circle max works best for blurring a face. You can resize the max by dragging the arrows to fit the face you want to blur. If the person in the video is moving, you will need to use keyframes. Now click on Invert. Now let's add keyframe. Go to the beginning of the video, click on the keyframe icon and set a keyframe. As the video progresses and the person moves, move the blur effect along with the face by selecting mask and adjusting the blur position. Repeat this process for each movement to ensure the face remains blurred throughout the video. This method ensures a smooth and continuous blur effect. Once completed, you will have successfully blurred the face in your video. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.